Today I am discussing the exam preposition, two-way preposition, which means the preposition which take both the cases, dative and accusative. This is a list of prepositions which take both the dative and accusative. We have auf, an, sorry, auf, hinter, in, neben, über, unter, vor, zwischen. You guys are supposed to note this down in the notebook. So pause the video and note this down. Means the size so you can read one shot. Okay. An, auf, hinter, in, neben, über, unter, vor, zwischen. Other scholars, these are called as. So deep grammar concept, two-way preposition. I'm not going to go too deep in the grammar. We don't need that much in natural language. Not much of grammar should be followed. Two-way preposition. Okay. Preposition. Preposition. So the prepositions take both the dative and the accusative form. Okay. Two-way prepositions on, auf, hinter, hin. Okay. What happens? If you're reading a preposition, I can move on to the next concept. We pause the video and then we write down these prepositions. Let's say this. What happens to two-way preposition? I take an example of the dative preposition, dative and accusative forms. Follow is A. Okay. Now it's a very easy concept. You follow what I'm saying. It takes both dative and accusative. Okay. What is happening? The very simple tip I give is ich bin in them. Oh, in plus them, dative form them. Let's take in the dative form. Ich bin in them Auto. Ich bin becomes contract so that ich bin in Auto. What is this verb here? Is it a sein verb? Conjugation of sein bin. But if I use a verb of motion of like ich bin or far and so on. So you should follow the accusative form. Motion will form the accusative form. And sein here not motion verb, so to form the preposition will take the dative form. So we say ich bin in Auto. Here it's simply to use example ich bin in Garten. But when I use our motion of gehe in den Garten, this is the accusative form. Basic exam preposition, anybody will explain to you. Any teacher or German teacher will explain this to you. Example. Accusative form will be followed when we have a motion verb. Motion verb. Gehen, fahren, fliegen, reisen. So you take the accusative form. It's a simple concept. No motion verb, not a motion verb, will take the dative form. A motion verb will take the accusative form. Let me go further into this. So I had these forms, verbs, I had these verbs, motion verbs, which follow the accusative form. Simple to say. Need not go deep into it. Now you will ask me why is schwimmen, again, I'm another concept I want. Why is schwimmen also motion and swimming? Why is it not following the accusative case? That is the concept. We have, technically we say wo is equal to dative and wohin is equal to accusative. So we say wo swims to, or now we come to the verb swim again. What happens here? I'm swimming in the same place in the pool. There's no change in location. Change in the location. We're swimming in the same pool. Means in the location is dative form. But if I'm swimming from a pond, swimming from a pool to another place called, for example, an ocean. In the swimming pool, your mind is to pass to another location, ocean, and it will become the dative form. So if I'm swimming like this, I'm swimming in the swimming pool, I'm in the same location, pool. But if I'm swimming from to the edge of the swim, or around the swim, if I'm swimming and entering, there's no change in the location. There's a change in location in this case. From the area around the swimming pool, into the water, but the motion is the same. Swimming motion from the floor to the into the swimming pool. Change the location will mean change the location will mean accusative. Sorry, exactly. And no change in location will mean dative. So I'm swimming in the same pool. So although I'm doing a motion case, it's not accusative. It's only dative because we are not changing the location. Now what happens in swimming? Let me say another is springen. Springen is also a springen is also jumping. If you just give you an example, springen is also jumping all the motion दिखा रहा है. It is showing motion, but it is not accusative. Why? Because jumping on the same location. I'm jumping on the same location on this table. I'm jumping. It is that way because I'm not changing the location. From the table, I'm jumping. I'm going to the chair. Change the location. From the table chair to the other location, chair. That will form the accusative case. Understand? So this concept is when there is no motion verb, we take the both vexed prepositions as the dative form. But if there is a motion verb, we take it as the accusative form. There is no motion, dative, motion, accusative. No motion, dative, motion, accusative. But motion should be changed in the location. From the table to the chair. Same motion happening from the table jumping to the chair, jumping to the chair. Change the table to chair. Location has changed. So it will follow the accusative form. So here we say, for example, say fish Springer. Auf we know is a two-way preposition. Springer auf dem Tisch. But if I'm going from the table to another location today, it will be Springer auf dem stool from the chair, from the table to the chair. So ich bringe auf den Stuhl. Location at the end. Also, we can understand this. You can say motion. How does motion work? So ich gehe in den Garten. Gehen will mean I am going from the house to the garden. The location change हो गया. Location from house to the garden. Garden is another location, and house is another location. So I am going from one house to the garden. We have the. I hope you understood. We discuss this again in the class. If you do not follow this video, you can ask me in the class. Feel free to ask questions. Okay. So note down the video. Go pause the video and note down things. So I did not wait here. Okay. Now let us solve the exercises. Okay. I'm saying this. Here we have an exercise from the Shom series book. Sitzen is no motion, so dative. So ish sitzen should in is a two-way preposition. It follows dative as well as accusative. Let me do this so you have a problem. Wir sitzen schon in dem Auto. Das becomes them, the dative form. Because sitzen is not a motion, sitting there. Location is also not changed. In dem Auto. Gehen is a motion verb, so we have the accusative form. Er geht über die Straße. Stell die Schüler unter. Stellen is a two-way preposition. Stellen is a verb which shows motion. It is always accusative. Stell die Schüler unter das Bett. Okay, accusative form. Sitzen again a dative form. Wir sitzen vor den Kindern. The dative form of the user and say wir sitzen vor unseren Kindern. Okay, dative form. Wer kommt again a motion verb. Wer kommt im August? In this case, common will not mean wohin. It will mean in the August. So we have the dative form in them August. Let's answer. Let's follow the dative case. Although common is there, we have August. It's not going somewhere. wohin नहीं है यहाँ पर. So we follow the dative form. August will not mean any motion. Although common motion is there, common is there, it will not mean motion for August. But it's not wohin. Sie wohnt in die Schweiz. She won't, won't is not a motion verb, so it will have the dative form. Sie wohnt in der Schweiz. Die will become der dative form. So we have the dative form here. Mittwoch again. An is again a two-way preposition. Mittwoch is a weekday, so there is no motion. An, the dative form will be there. An dem Mittwoch, fliege ich am. Am Mittwoch, fliege ich. An dem will not be used. We say am Mittwoch, fliege ich am. Gehe again a motion verb. Say we gehe ins Haus. So we have gehe is a motion verb. We say gehe in das Haus. So in das becomes ins. Gehe ins Haus. Schwimmt ihr immer in Fluss? There's no change in location here. Shumen is motion verb. It's not a motion verb considered, but Shumen is means motion as per your our imagination. It is not a. In this case, it is the dative form. Shum here immer in dem Fluss, diesem Fluss. Dieser will become diesem. One fares to again the motion verb. Do in D Turka accusative form because fare in is a Maran is a motion verb. In is two-way preposition. So the accusative form. Motion verb is the accusative. Im Zomer, in dem Zomer. In is dative, so Zomer is der Zomer becomes in dem Zomer. Im Zomer haben wir Ferien. Er besuchte uns vor is dative preposition, two-way preposition basically, but here it is a dative form. So for einem Monat, dative. Warum gehst du motion verb? An is a two-way preposition. An das Fenster will become ans Küchenfenster. An das, nobody will say an das, you say ans in German. Contraction. Ich lecte. Lecte is again a verb which takes always most of the time takes the accusative form. Ich legte den Löffel neben deinen Teller. Accusative form. Er steht zwischen den Brüdern. Jenen seinen Brüdern. He is standing between his brothers. Dative form. Er steht hinter jener Fabrik. Die Fabrik. Dative form. Jener Fabrik. An dem Abend will become am Abend. Bin ich müde. And there will become dem. Dative form. When we are in theater. So this means motion. Let me check the answer. Ins theater. My answer is ins. Ins. When we are in theater, das theater, accusative form. Here mean going motion is implied here in 18th form. Stell dich neben. Again, stell is there, so accusative form. Stell dich neben deinen Eltern. Deine Eltern, because it is accusative. See, neben deine Eltern. I'm right here. Sein Kopf ist unter dem Kissen. Unter dative है इस case unter des last becomes dem. Warst du schon in warst du schon im Iraq? There's no motion here. There's no wohin. When you in Iraq, it's a dative form. Setz again setz is accusative form is there. Setz dich nicht auf meinen Koffer. Is accusative. 22nd is meinen. It's correct. Er liegt zwischen is dative. Here this time Ihren Zeitung in plural Ihren Zeitung in plural. In dash im Mai where it is wieder war. Im Mai. Warum gehen? Again, motion is the motion verb. Gehen. Common name is common. It always follow the accusative form. Warum gehen? Hinter das Museum. Hinter das Museum becomes contraction. Hinters Museum. Electa is auf. Lecta आ गया फिर से accusative. Auf den Tisch. Ich bin. Seine always dative. Ich bin in einem Kaufhaus. Dative. Er ist liegt again dative. Unter eurem Bett. Eurem Bett. Sie sitzt auf meinem Mantel. Auf ist dative. Sets again the accusative. Sets this hinter deine Freundin. Accusative forms. This sets is accusative. Das Haus ist neben jenem Park. Jenem Park. Stellen again accusative. Stell is for unserer accusative so unsere Garage. Unsere Garage. Sets euch again sie sitzen euch setzen again the accusative. Euch ins Auto. Wir sind in this plural we say in that it is dative in den Vereinen den. Bist du in die Küche become dative die case die Küche become dative में der. So bist du in der Küche. You can pause the video note down these answers. You can't see let me just pause this. Here are the answers. Answers. See the answers. Note down the answers. Note down the answers. Pause the video. Note down the answers. Note down the video and start the answers. Thank you for producing this video. I am wishing you the